Ghost, the plates are a match.
Copy. Any sign of Rojas' right-hand man?
Negative. They've stopped twice already, no sign of him. Wait, they stopped again. Stand by. Got a positive ID. Whoever these guys are, they're not happy to see him. Ghost, we have a situation here. Get down! Get down! Getting away! Roach, let's go! Let's go! Ghost, a driver's dead. We're on foot. Meet us at the Hotel Rio and cut him off if you can.
Roger, I'm on my way. He went into the alley.
Non-lethal takedowns only. We need him alive. Roach, take the shot. Go for his leg. He's down. Roach, this is going to take some time. Go with Meat and Royce and check out the favela for any signs of Rojas. That's where this guy is headed.
Remember, there are civilians in the favela. Watch your fire out there.
Bravo 6, be advised. We engaged enemy militia at the lower village. Roach, I'm with you. Watch the rooftop. Go! Royce, give me a sit rep. Over. Lots of militia, but no sign of Rojas over here. Over. Copy that. Keep searching. Let me know if you see him. Out. Roach, move up. Let's go. Speed is down. I repeat. Bravo 6, be advised. We engaged enemy militia at the... Bravo 6, be advised. We engaged enemy militia at the lower village. Roach, I'm with you. Watch the rooftops. Go! Royce, give me a sit rep. Over. Lots of militia, but no sign of Rojas over here. Over. Copy that. Keep searching. Let me know if you see him. Out. Bravo 6, be advised. We engaged enemy militia at the lower village. Roach, I'm with you. Watch the rooftops. Go! Royce, give me a sit rep. Over. Lots of militia, but no sign of Rojas over here. Over. Copy that. Keep searching. Let me know if you see him. Out. Roach, move up. Let's go. Speed is down. I repeat, speed is down. Roach, we've got Rojas' location. He's headed west along the upper levels of the favela. Roach, I'm hit! We'll keep him from doubling back on our side. Keep going, cut him off up top. There's no time for backup. You're gonna have to do this on your own. Good luck. Out.
Lembra, mira na cabeça! A armadura deles é muito forte!
Roach, this is their territory and they know it well. Keep an eye open for ambush positions and check your corners. Roach, watch the rooftops! We've got a few close calls with RPGs and machine guns positioned up high. Roach, we're taking heavy fire from the militia here, but I'm still tracking Rojas. He's gone into a building. Roach, do you see him? Go mark it. I can see Rowan running across the rooftop on my right side. Roger that. Roger, we're corralling him closer to your side of the hill. Keep an eye out for Rojas. He's still making his way across the rooftops.
Vai pro telhado do leste, mata todo mundo! Sai na frente, vai tirar uma granada!
Sir, I've got Rojas in my sight. I can go for a clean leg shot. There's an engine here. Negative. We can't risk it. Do not engage. Bullets, roger that.
Polícia! Me dê cobertura, estou recarregando!
Soldados inimigos adiante, ahead!
Ok, já vi! Fica assim!
Roach, keep moving uphill. I've cut him off. He's got nowhere to go but west over the rooftops into your area. Roach, he knows the area well, but we can trap him up here. Don't stop. Go, go! He's jumped the fence. I'm after him. Roger that. I'm going around to the left. Roach, I've spotted Rojas. He's making a run for us. He's heading your way. Don't shoot. We need him alive and unharmed. Roach, we're going to cut him off at the summit. Keep pushing him that way. Go, go!
Tu não vai sair daqui vivo, tá me ouvindo? Tô vendo um do lado esquerdo! Sim, tá vendo ele, agora! Tu não tá com medo não, gringo? E o Ló, tá perdido? Tô vendo! Tô vendo que você tá correndo pra onde? Volta aqui! Vai colocar na tua cabeça! Socorro! Socorro! Eu moro aqui desde que eu nasci, tá achando que é mais malandro que eu aqui, é? Tô vendo inimigo à esquerda! Sim, tá vendo ele, é aqui! O inimigo tá chegando por trás pela direita! Tu acha que fizeram minha vida? Ele tomou um tiro,
Ghost, he's going for that motorcycle. No, he's not. Okay, we've got eyes on Rojas. Wait! Ah, shit, he's heading right towards you. Ghost, he's going for that motorcycle.
Cuidado com esses
No, he's
gringos!
not.
Marca a polícia!
Okay, we've got eyes on Rojas. Wait! Ah, shit, he's headed back towards you. Nice! He's breaking to the right again. Roach, if you see him, do not shoot him. I need him unharmed. Roach, keep pushing up the hill. Don't let him double back. Roach is on the move and headed your way. Go, go! Roach, stepped on the fence and he's still headed towards your end of the favela. Keep moving up. Go, go!
Soldados inimigos adiante, ahead!
Keep corralling him up the hill. We'll cut him off at the top.
Sim, tô vendo ele! Assim! Cuidado, estão atirando uma granada! Pega eles de surpresa, de cima do telhado!
Where is he? Where is he? Go, Vigil! He's over there, spaced down the rooftops. I've got another clear leg shot.
Nossa posição!
Not unless you want to carry him back here with all this militia breaching down your neck. I need him unharmed. Ghost, I'm going far right. He's going to get away. No, he's not.
Front runner, this is Bravo 6. We've got the package. I repeat, we have got the package.
Command, ready for dust-off. Send the chopper. Coordinates to follow. Bollocks! The skies are clear. Send the chopper now! Command's got their head up their ass. We're on our own.